Nanjangud Mahadevamma temple demolition issue. Karnataka temple demolition, many new facts now emerging. The outset, the order of the local deputy commissioner, Mysore, Karnataka, to go ahead with the demolition of the Mahadevamma temple in Nanjangud is slowly unfolding and establishing the fact that it might be a costly blunder on the part of revenue authorities as well the Karnataka BJP government. The Times of India revealed a stunning fact: the temple premises is a Neolithic site. Neolithic age means last leg of Stone Age. Another shocker is the site where the demolished temple stood was a Neolithic site of prehistoric period. The Times of India in its 16th September 2021 report has reported a piece of sensational news. This news was published after the demolition of the Mahadevamma temple in Nanjangud. I just read out the news report. The news report says the remains of a megalithic site with a Asubande Samadhi and 5 Veeragallu hero stones belonging to 9th century and 11th and 12th century Ganga and Hoysala period were discovered at Huchagani village, Nanjangud Taluk, from the same premises where the demolished temple stood till a few days ago. The above stone is Veera Mastigallu. This was found in the same temple premises. This is Veera Mastigallu, 6 feet, 6.5 feet by 3.5 feet by 7 inch thickness. The history professor involved in this project reveals some stunning facts. What he says, just listen. Head of the Department of History, S.G. Ramadas Reddy of Kuvempu Nagar Government First Grade College History Department. What he says: the idols are at Adishakti Mahadevamma temple, which was recently demolished, and the adjacent Bhairaveshwara temple are made of iron and belong to the Chola period. Cholas ruled this region between 11th and 12th century as per Epigraphia Karnatica. This Veeragallu, that is the shown in the picture, this was recovered in the from the premises of the temple which was demolished by the government. And in addition to this, the deities, the idols, Mahadevamma idols were made of iron and installed in the temple nearly 800 to 900 years ago by Chola kings. Now, by this, it is a proven fact that the Karnataka government and local revenue authorities has committed a blunder by raising a historical heritage temple to ground. The Honorable Supreme Court in its 2009 order clearly stated that before undertaking any demolitions of any religious structures, of if it is heritage or any structure, proper study should be conducted, only then action should be taken. But the Mysore and Nanjangud local revenue authorities seems to be not taken care of any of these aspects. They have blindly attacked the temple at the early morning and totally dismantled it. If you are really wondering how BJP could do such things, it is because it's all political psychology, political, ideological balancing act. They wanted to show they are not biased.